Hi, in front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Firstly, open settings and scroll down just a bit to access password and security. Then click on face at the top right corner and enter your current login method. After that, hit continue at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!